Good morning. The hot subject is going on the tongue of politicians, common people, advocate, judges is that impeachment move was moved before the parliament to impeach Justice G.R. Swaminathan, alleging that he is inciting enmity between two communities, whatever it may be, we do not know. The one question, therefore, it is my duty to explain what all are the procedure for impeachment. See, Constitution of India empower all executive power with the President of India. So, the President of India is having exclusive power to approve even if anybody is impeached. And the doctrine of pleasure is there when other posts being appointed like Advocate General, Attorney General, Accountant General, governors, they will hold the office till the pleasure of the President of India. So this is regarding the post being nominated or recruited or selected and posted for a tenure period. Then question arises, government servant, state government servant and central government servant, for removal and dismissal and imposing other punishment, there will be constitutional rules being framed under Article 310, 309, 311. These all are rules being framed for recruitment and punishment, so many things are there. Then there is Article 61 which regulate how to impeach the president. So to impeach the president, it should be moved from both the houses and 2/3 majority should be there to impeach the president. And the grounds for impeachment is that only misbehavior and incapacity. There will be some, that is related to judges. I am little bit confused. To impeach the president, this 2/3 majority is required. And there will be an inquiry commission report, so many things are there, regulation, rules are there. And then question arises, Vice President. To remove Vice President from his post, the resolution should be from State Council, that means Rajya Sabha, and thereafter it should be approved by the Parliament, that means Lok Sabha, then he will be removed from his office. And so far, High Court and Supreme Court judges are concerned, Article 124.4 deals with that. Article 124.4 says how to impeach a Supreme Court judge. So there should be a resolution being brought in the Assembly, Parliament, either houses, and it should be passed by 2/3 majority. Then there shall be regulatory rules how to conduct inquiry and other things. But as per my search is concerned, my poor search is concerned, I could not locate those regulating rules. So then question arises, what about High Court judge? This 124 class 4 has been incorporated under 2171B of the Constitution of India, which deals with the judiciary of state, wherein the judges of High Court may be impeached by following 124 class 4. So there should be appropriate inquiry committee and regulation, SOP procedure should be there. In absence of that, and how due process of law being followed or not. So what is the history of our Indian Constitution? How many were impeached? I hope only one was impeached, others escaped from impeachment. Justice Veerasamy impeachment was moved. His son-in-law Justice Ramasamy impeachment was moved. and Justice P.D. Dinagaran impeachment was moved. And one impeachment against one N.K. Jain was moved, but he resigned. All these were escaped from, because the majority of MLAs absented themselves from saving this Ramasamy, Veerasamy and Dinagaran, etc., etc. The main reasons for impeachment of Supreme Court judges and High Court judges must be only two words were there under section 124 class 4, which will be read with for High Court judges under 12171B. That is misbehavior and incapacity. If suppose the High Court judge exhibits their incapacity, he may be. What about misbehavior? Misbehavior, the definition of misbehavior shows that some violation of rules. That is called misbehavior. That has to be deeply discussed. Here the allegations are not correct, because if these sort of impeachment resolutions are being moved, that will cause hurdle in administrating justice without fear or favor. The obeiter dicta of the judges may be ignored. They may be ignored. But when they passes a judicial order, that is subject to intervention of appellate court order, appeal, thereafter SLP is there. So many hierarchical procedures are there to interfere with, and expunging some remarks was also there. And this sort of threatening to judiciary initiated by this Dravidian culture and they associated with communal forces elected in parliament will reverse back like boomerang. Suppose in where the states where they are not ruling, and if anybody passes orders, if they where they are ruling, when any judges passes order in favor of them, then automatically there will be again impeachment. This should be regulated. Let us hope what is happening. And so far G.R. Swaminathan is concerned, he passes an order. That order was upheld by division bench. Then what else you require? What else you require? There are multi-number of additional government advocate generals misbehaving with the courts, but they are holding post. They are threatening the judiciary. This sort of threatening the judiciary is not healthy practice in democracy. The only arm or weapon available to restore the basic fundamental rights of the people of India, as well as any person, that means including non-citizens also. The court is High Court as well as Supreme Court. If you are making an attempt with some 120 members of parliament and enacting a drama which you know that this is not going to get any success, whatever it may be, it's all right. Whatever it may be, when you bring a motion, let us see what this judiciary is going to do with this misbehavior of the 120 parliament elected and nominated people are threatening the judiciary. A bad attempt to save their skins, to justify their misbehavior attitude towards the majority sentiment of the people, and wanted to transgress into our worship system, whereas the other opposite side people are remain calm and cooperating, but these Dravidian people are differently behaving, which will be answered during the next elections. Definitely nobody would tolerate all these sorts of things, and passing remarks against the judges if they passes an orders. There are some barking dogs being fertilized uh, regularly, time to time, to bark against the judges, and one few judges, retired judges also um, joining with these unlicensed barking dogs. Okay, best wishes.